So this is the Postic massage. You rub it over their joints 20 times, and then if they're sore, you'll go over it more. And what this does is it releases all the buildup in their muscles. And see how she's moving her legs? She's telling me that it feels good. It's good for her for sure.